Welcome to MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. This is the new body style from Sea Ray for the 270. As you'll see in the photos, the boat has the quantum blue hull sides with a black bottom. Pairs really nicely with the V10 400 horsepower Mercury. That's also in black, and the black powder-coated sports arch with integrated black bimini top. Across the swim platform, you've got the gray SeaDek matting that matches the stone interior. Nice big sunpad across the transom. You have an adjustable backrest here that'll give you a lounger with a headrest or back support when you're sitting forward facing. Port side, nice L-shaped seating. Adjustable backrest on the companion seat to give you either a forward facing seat or aft facing lounger. Behind the captain's chair, you have a gas strut assisted storage compartment here. A 2-wide helm seat, again with adjustable backrest, flip up bolster. This boat is outfitted with the Infinity woven carpet liner. At the helm you have dual Simrad screens, digital throttle and shift, Lenco trim tabs with LED indicator. Underneath the console is your head compartment, and it's also outfitted with a cushion package so you can use it as a berth. There is a freshwater sink in there, and the top opens and closes for easy access. In front of the companion seat is your head unit or your Fusion stereo that is Bluetooth. Nice storage compartment underneath. Bow block-off door with a windshield that also flip closed. Slightly offset seating in the bow gives you a single lounger on the port side and a double wide on the starboard side. It does come with the freshwater system, so you have a freshwater sprayer in the bow of the boat, as well as a bow boarding ladder. That way you can rinse as you come in and out of the boat. And this boat is also outfitted with the through-hull windlass. That's a real quick look at our 2026 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. For some more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.